Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 10, leçon X. So let's discover in this video more prepositions. So it's not the first lesson that we have covering this topic, but I mean they're so useful that I think it's quite important to have some repetitive lessons or videos. Okay, so we can start right now. At, in, to, à, à, à. Because of, à cause de, à cause de, à cause de. Next to, à côté de, à côté de, à côté de. Regarding, à propos de, à propos de, à propos de. After, afterward, après, après, après. In the center of, au centre de, au centre de, au centre de. Instead of, au lieu de, au lieu de, au lieu de. In the middle of, au milieu de, au milieu de, au milieu de. Concerning, au sujet de, au sujet de, au sujet de. Underneath, au-dessous de, au-dessous de, au-dessous de. Above, over, au-dessus de, au-dessus de, au-dessus de. Before, avant, avant, avant. In, dans, dans, dans. Of, from, de, de, de. From, de la part de la part de la part de. For fear of, de peur de peur de peur de. In, of, on, en, en, en. Across from, en face de, en face de, en face de. Between, entre, entre, entre. Thanks to, grâce à, grâce à, grâce à. Until, jusque, jusque, jusque. Far from, loin de, loin de, loin de. In spite of, malgré, 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 during, pendant, 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 for, pour, 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 near, près de, près de, près de, without, sans, 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 under, sous, 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 on, sur, 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 toward, vers, vers, vers. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.